All right, real quick and easy one here. If you guys are doing your own AC work, then hopefully you are using one of these, which is the proper way to do AC work. Do not just use the low pressure gauge that you got from the auto parts store and then determine you need to add refrigerant to a system. That is a terrible way of doing it. You need to also measure the high pressure as well. But if you are doing this properly, at some point as a do-it-yourselfer, you've probably noticed that maybe you've run into some cars that your gauge just doesn't fit on. And that's because a few years ago, they started changing the fittings for the refrigerants on cars. And now they use R1234YF instead of 134A. And as a result of that change in refrigerant, your fittings will be different, and that is why you may notice that on some cars your gauge set doesn't work anymore. This is the Lichamp R1234YF gauge set, and one thing that I really like about this is it also has fittings that are compatible with the 134A that you are more used to, so you have one gauge set for all applications, which is really nice. The hoses are 5 feet long, which is really nice, gives you plenty of room for accessing hard to reach low and high side ports. And also the hoses have an 800 PSI max pressure, which is far more than sufficient. The gauges are easy to read and are accurate to 1.6%. Probably the best thing about this gauge set is the price. So you'll want to take a look at the link that we will provide in the description of this video. And if you need to update your AC diagnostics ability, I use this all the time. I can tell you this is a great way to get started. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful.